my beauties, welcome if you are a new beauty. My name is T1B. Please subscribe, it will mean a lot if you do. So today in this video I'm just gonna finish off my hair. Now this hair is from a brand called Seriya hair. I know I've been doing a lot of passion twists and spring twist videos, but they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try it. I wanted to try color, and plus it's fall, so I wanted to try something different. So the color that I am wearing in my head is T1B-BUG. So in each pack you will get 6 of these bundles right here, and in those bundles you will get 22 strands. The hair price is $31.99, and this is 18-inch. Now it's not 18-inch in my hair because I did cut these in half. So this right here was 1 strand. I cut it in half and I just folded it a little like this just to make it, you know, the way I wanted it, because I didn't want these too long this time. I got my 2 halves and then I just do it like this. Make sure they're even and then just braid it in there. I just braid and then twist. So I'm just taking it. I'm just gonna braid it like this. Y'all, I'm not a good gripper, so I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna last me for about another 2 weeks, and then I'm taking these out. You just braid it. And with some of my hair, I just been braiding it down until my hair end. It's like the shining jam. It just make my hair stick out. So I just been braiding it all the way down until, you know, I have a little piece of my hair, and then I'll take it and just twist like that. Then you just twist it on down until you're complete.